Hey guys, it's me again. Sorry for the lack of uploads. And you'll see, and if you go on my other channel, Unlucky Lugio, which has a video that I'm going to be posting on this channel soon. It's not Pokemon related, but it just has to do with me. And so, when I was driving, I saw this on a yard sale. Decided to pick it up. It's this Xtractaurs. Combine and fight online, and this is Wingstorm. I'm gonna be doing a unboxing and review, and I also got the starter kit, which comes with Ultra Bite. I've never seen these things before, so let's crack this open because I'm really excited. I already got very, and I really want to open this thing, so I already started a little bit. Sticky plastic, wow. Okay, got that part off. I'm opening it. I got two. Okay. Okay, so it comes with an installation DVD. Okay, so let me take this off. It's really hard to do it with only one hand, and I'm using my iPhone again. Sorry guys, if you hate me using my iPhone. I can't upload videos from my camera currently because I can't find something to do with my camera. Oh wow. This DVD is nice. Oh. Came completely protected in this blanket here. Wow, you can see the reflection of my iPhone coming off of it. Wow. Yes, I'm covering my face. I don't want you guys to see what my face looks like right now. I might in a future video. So I'll put this off the side. I gotta keep that pretty safe. Now let's take the toys out. Wow. Come on. Get out. What are you stuck on? So clearly he's stuck on an elastic band. Okay, there we go. I got the toy out, but I have to attach his tail. One sec, guys. I'm going to show you what he looks like. Wow. Whoa. He's actually pretty flexible. Okay. So I have my brand new toy. You can open it and close his mouth, and you can move his head like that. It's really cool. And you can move his legs and rip off his tail. Now it's time to get to the good stuff. Which is also attached to an elastic band. Pretty tightly too. Okay. Oh wow. Oh, wow, would you look at this? Now, let's see what happens. I'll try to extract the DNA from my friend over here. You have to have it plugged into the computer. So that's pretty cool. So we have Ultra Bite, the superior dinosaur. And now we have to take out our little friend, Wingstorm. So let me just deal with this guy here. I'm not sure if I'm like the only one, but I hate the sound of working cardboard. It sends chills down my spine. So we open the starter kit. Whoa. This guy comes in pieces. Head ripped off. And he has a elastic tied around his leg. Oh, and his wing. Wow. We put so much into this one. God. Here we go. Let me just assemble this head on. She's not very flexible as much as the other one. His wings flap quite a bit. Oh, it comes with a stand. So I can probably use this for this review. So an unboxing and review. I'm pretty sure you just stand them like this on the stand. Yeah. And he flies. And it looks like he's flying. So there we go. We have Wingstorm here, our friend, Wingstorm, and he's not as flexible. His wings move. I think that's about it, really. His legs move. No, actually they don't. They move back and forth only like a tiny little bit. That's as much as I can move. Both wings move really flexibly. What happens if you try to move his head? It's not very... Unlike our... Ow. I keep dropping it. Unlike our pal over here, whose name is Ultra Bite, forced by his name, he can move his head very flexibly. Open his jaw, close his jaw, and all of this. So it's really cool. I like these guys. Now, again, you need the starter kit, and it's an online game. And Xtractaurs is really cool. So now let me get my gun. Stick it into our friend Wingstorm here. Let me extract his DNA. So black. Let me get rid of that. Okay. So I'm gonna extract his DNA. So you have to plug this into the computer. And it comes with a instruction booklet and little poster here. And it comes with an instruction booklet. And let's see what the other one comes with. Does this one come with the same little poster? Yeah. Comes with a poster again and a little copyright poster and his name tag. So that poster and there's that poster. And they're both of them are the same. But one, starter kit's one is more bigger than the other one, and I'm pretty sure the starter kit one a little bit darker. I don't know if you can see that, but it is fairly darker than, yeah. So thanks guys for watching my Xtractaurs review. And I bet you guys are waiting for the ultimate answer to our question. Should you buy these? The answer is yes. These things are awesome. Once I try the online game, I'll review the game too. It looks really cool. It looks similar to Adventure Quest, but I've never played Adventure Quest, and I'm not much of a fan of it either. But it looks a lot like Pokemon. So, let's see. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll give Xtractaurs what they look like and their movability. Besides their head popping off, how about